Welcome. Take a deep breath. Let your shoulders relax. Allow your mind to settle. Today, for the next few minutes, we are going to walk through a simple but life changing truth. When you surrender to God, peace follows. Not because life becomes perfect, not because challenges disappear, but because your heart rests in the one who holds everything together. If your mind has been racing, if your heart has been heavy, if anxiety, fear, or uncertainty have been pulling at you, this time is for you. Let this message be a reminder. You are not alone. You are not forgotten. You are not fighting by yourself. God is near. God is working. God is guiding. God is healing. God is restoring. And when you surrender the weight you've been carrying, His peace will settle into your soul like a gentle sunrise. Surrender is not giving up. Surrender is handing everything to God and trusting that He knows what to do with it. Your fears, your worries, your unanswered prayers, your timeline, your expectations, your what ifs, your I don't knows. He can carry what you can't. He can see what you cannot. He can do what you never could. Say quietly in your heart, Lord, I surrender this to you. Whatever this is, God knows. Every time you release a burden to Him, you make room for His peace to enter. There are things in your life you've been trying to manage alone, people you're trying to fix, situations you're trying to force, doors you're trying to open by yourself. But God whispers, let go. Let me handle what is beyond your reach. Peace arrives when you stop fighting battles that aren't yours. Take another breath. Let go of what has been weighing you down. Release it. Surrender it. God can do more in a moment than you can do in a lifetime. You may be waiting, praying, hoping, wondering when things will finally change. But hear this. God is never late. God is never early. He is always right on time. Sometimes He delays things to protect you. Sometimes He slows things down to prepare you. Sometimes He holds things back because you deserve more than you are asking for. Your waiting is not wasted. Your delay is not denial. Your patience is producing something powerful within you. When you feel anxious, God speaks peace. When you feel pressure, God offers rest. The world offers temporary peace, a distraction, a moment, a quick escape. But God offers deep, lasting, supernatural peace. Peace that quiets your mind. Peace that settles your spirit. Peace that reminds who you belong to. Jesus said, my peace I give to you, not as the world gives. This kind of peace is unshakable. It survives storms. It thrives in uncertainty. It carries you when you feel weak. Let this peace wash over you. Let it breathe life back into your heart. You may not see the full picture right now. You may not understand why certain things happened, but God is working behind the scenes. He is arranging, aligning, preparing, and positioning things for your good. You don't have to know the how. You don't have to know the when. You only need to trust the one who sees the entire path ahead. Surrender brings clarity. Trust brings strength. Faith brings peace. Close your eyes, take a slow breath, and repeat softly, God, I surrender my fears to you. God, I surrender my plans to you. God, I surrender my worries to you. God, I surrender my stress to you. God, I surrender my timing to you. God, I surrender my future to you. God, I surrender my family to you. God, I surrender my heart to you. Let peace settle in. Repeat the cycle with gentle variations. This will help you. Speak these promises slowly and powerfully. The Lord goes before me. He is my refuge and my strength. I will not fear, for He is with me. His plans for me are good. His peace guards my heart. No weapon formed against me will prosper. God is my provider. God is my healer. God is my protector. God is my peace. Here's another prayer. Lord, I give you everything that has been troubling my heart. Fill me with your peace. Help me to trust you completely. Lead me, guide me, strengthen me, calm me. I choose to surrender. I choose peace. I choose you. I am safe in God's hands. I am guided. I am protected. I am surrounded by peace. I choose faith over fear. I choose trust over anxiety. I choose God over worry. Now say this again with me. I am safe in God's hands. I am guided. I am protected. I am surrounded by peace. I choose faith over fear. I choose trust over anxiety. I choose God over worry. Peace is yours because God is with you, because you surrendered, because He is faithful. Rest in His love, rest in His goodness, rest in His peace.